Are you experiencing issues while purchasing games or installing add-ons on PS5 console? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the internet connection. If you have purchased a game or downloaded an add-on on your PS5 but you are seeing the waiting to install message, then first check your internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. You can run an internet connection test. You can try connecting other devices to the same internet and check, or visit speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network. Then select Test Internet Connection. Method 2. Check your system storage. The next thing you should check is that there is enough space on your PS5 storage. To check the available storage space, navigate to your PS5 settings, select Storage, check the available free space on your console storage. If there isn't enough space, delete unnecessary data, or you can move data to a different location to free up space. To delete the games or applications, open Storage, then head to Console Storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. To delete saved data, select Save Data from the Console Storage section. Select PS5 games or PS4 games. Select the Delete option. When you delete saved data from your PS5, it removes your game progress, settings, and any other data associated with that specific game. You can also delete Media Gallery to free up more space. You can visit the PlayStation Store to check the minimum storage required for the download. Method 3. Ensure the disk is licensed for the same country or region. If you are using a game on disk, ensure the disk is licensed for the same country or region as your account. Mismatched countries or regions might mean that add-on content won't be compatible. The country or region license is printed on the front or back of the game box. So before purchasing a disc, check the country or region it's licensed for. You can ask the retailer for the game's country or region license information. Method 4. Restore license on PS5 console. To restore licenses on PS5 console, navigate to Settings, then select Users and Accounts. Next, select Other. Then select Restore Licenses. Select the licenses that you want to restore. Method 5. Restart the PS5 console. Sometimes, due to temporary glitches, you can have problems purchasing games or installing add-ons. So you can restart the PS5 console and check if this helps to eradicate minor bugs and glitches. To restart the PS5 console, press the PlayStation button on your controller to open the Control Center menu. Navigate to the power icon and select it. Choose the Restart PS5. Confirm your selection is prompted and your PS5 will shut down and restart automatically. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the game and add-on. The next thing you can do is uninstall and reinstall the game or the add-on. To uninstall a game on PS5, open Settings, then open PS5 device storage, then head to Console Storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the PlayStation Store and check. Method 7. Contact PlayStation Support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. State your problem and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing issues while purchasing games or installing add-ons on PS5 console. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.